Once again, ang magpagkalan ng Dipolo City Council officers. And of course, ako po acknowledge ang atong former Dipolo City Council Grand Spectrum, Lord Enrique Campomucan. Former Grand, salamat. And of course, ako po acknowledge ang atong Master Examiner of Accounts, the former Master Examiner of Accounts, the Dipolo City Council, si Bro Kevin Mahamonte. And of course, ako po acknowledge ang atong mga Dipolo City Council advisors karon, si ang atong former Grand Spectrum of Dipolo City Council, si Bert Frank Ventura, and of course, yours truly, Timon Pilarmino. And now, let's proceed for the certificate of recognition. Within this section, the certificate is awarded to in recognition of his active participation and unwavering support during the celebration of the 52nd founding anniversary of the Dipolo City chapters.